Welcome, dear friends, to a holiday tradition with a compassionate twist. Today, we're sharing a vegan coquito recipe that will fill your heart with warmth and your taste buds with delight. Wait, before we starting I introduce you Alpillion supplement weight loss in 7 days. Now let's dive into the video. Gather round and get ready to create memories with this creamy, dairy-free version of the classic Puerto Rican coquito. Ingredients. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need coconut milk, coconut cream, sweetened condensed coconut milk, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Blend the magic. Now, it's time to blend the magic. Combine the coconut milk, coconut cream, sweetened condensed coconut milk, a splash of vanilla extract, a dash of ground cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a tiny pinch of salt in a blender. Blend until everything comes together into a luscious, creamy mixture. Taste and adjust. Here's the fun part: taste your coquito mixture and adjust the sweetness or spiciness to your liking. Add more cinnamon or nutmeg if desired. Chill and serve. Now, transfer this heavenly concoction into a glass bottle or jar, and pop it in the refrigerator for at least a few hours or overnight. Chilling allows the flavors to meld and intensify. When you're ready to serve, pour this luscious vegan coquito into a festive glass, and garnish with a sprinkle of ground cinnamon. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.